Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. At first glance, the 2022 Acura ILX looks like a luxury sedan bargain, as it wears a premium exterior styling treatment and an attractive starting price. Look closer though and you'll notice that the smallest Acura sedan is merely a reskinned previous generation Honda Civic with a less desirable standard features list. Its infotainment is woefully out of date, and it lacks the sporty driving dynamics we expect in this class. Its 2.4-liter four-cylinder is at least fuel efficient, and its ride is smooth and agreeable. But if you're looking for something that will truly impress your neighbors and friends, more modern small luxury cars such as the Audi A3, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, and the Mercedes-Benz A-Class are all worth spending extra to purchase. Otherwise, the all-new 2022 Honda Civic offers better bang for the same amount of bucks. Acura's smallest model rolls into the new year with no changes. Watch for an updated version of the ILX, based on the all-new Honda Civic, to debut for 2023. The 2022 ILX is one of the best deals among subcompact luxury sedans. We think that value is optimized with the optional premium package, which adds leather upholstery, upgraded infotainment features, and more driver assists. The A-Spec package may give the illusion of enhanced performance, but the kit only supplies superficial improvements that aren't worth the dough. As with other cars in this segment, the Acura ILX's cabin is roomy for the driver and the front seat passenger but cramped for those in the rear. Standard equipment is plentiful and includes a sunroof, heated sport seats with power adjustments for the driver, and dual-zone automatic climate control. However, the dashboard design looks outdated compared with the slick-looking screens that adorn the dash of the A-Class. While its interior cubby storage is nowhere near as useful as inside the Civic, the ILX has a large trunk that belies the sedan's subcompact classification.